Guys, I am recording a video right now at Flash on. Let's do this. Unboxing my new tablet with the Zootopia. The casing, it's a normal case, but Zootopia.
My dad said I'll get hit by lightning and die.
Oh, he's being stupid. He's not a meteorologist.
Well, he said if I go and he finds out that he's gonna wash my mouth out with soap.
Wait, why?
That's cool.
Did you say? Yeah, really.
I didn't cuss. He just said that he's gonna wash my mouth out with soap.
I'm not going to kill you.
That's weird. Yeah.
I really want to go, guys. Well, I don't know.
Let's just go and play. Yeah, he's not gonna find out.
Yeah, come
A
on.
lollipop?
Soap. Oh, you know what? I won't want soap in my mouth for 5 minutes, okay? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. I only have 5 minutes.
Okay, so there's there's actually two down here. Don't get blind by this. Sorry, but look, I'm kidnapping you.
Junior, I know you saw a bunch of those fancy words on the internet, but it
Okay.
doesn't make any sense.
See you something on it. Nothing.
Good job.
Hey, you.
Dude, my ball! Good job, Cody.
No.
Yeah. Well, because the ball ricocheted from the moon, and you wouldn't believe us, and now it's over the fence.
Yeah, throw it.
Well,
No,
it ricocheted off the moon, so since you're wrong,
No.
you have to go get it above the fence, okay? So,
It didn't ricochet off the moon. I'm not getting it.
but
Yes, you are, Cody. We proved you wrong, so you better get it.
it's just right there. Get it, Cody.
I'm not getting it. No.
Guys! Dude, what's that? A wombat.
It's not a wombat, Junior. It's a squirrel.
I'm gonna leave.
Like a circus or something.
I'm gonna let you guys eat the pizza and
No,
this.
Junior, it's a wild squirrel. It might have rabies.
I don't care if it has babies. You're not population control.
It's not.
Hey, beautiful squirrel.
Junior, it has tusks. I think you should probably